Well, hello there, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. This week has been a crazy week, so you and we are just gonna do something chill. We're just gonna do something creative, fun, relaxed, and we're gonna can some stuff. It's been a minute since I've canned anything, so I kind of wanted to get my feet wet again, and over the past few weeks, I've just been kind of feeling out what I wanted to try, experiment with, and test out. So something that I really wanted to do while it was in season was citrus. So we're gonna try a few citrus things. So first, I'm gonna can some orange juice, just because I typically don't have orange juice in my house, but I cook with it every so often. Thinking I would like to have some orange juice on deck that's shelf stable that I can kind of just have on hand in case I need it last minute and I don't have to run to the grocery store. Two, one of the things I love that really surprised me were the canned peaches that were amazing. So I want to try to can some tangerines or some mandarins, just to kind of see how that goes, see how they keep, kind of feel that out. Second or third, I'm always finding that I'm short on limes. I buy 2 limes like every time I go to the grocery store, but they either go bad or I don't have enough or something. So I'm going to try to can lime juice, see how it sits, see how it oxidizes, see if it tastes weird. I'm gonna do 2 sizes, like a very small and then like a kind of small, to see like how soon it goes bad in my fridge. Mostly because I think the store-bought lime juice tastes weird. It's not in tin, but it tastes kind of tinny. I don't know. I'm gonna see if mine can be any better. And then kind of while I'm in the kitchen putzing around, we are going to make, here's my list. Also gonna make a loaf of sourdough bread. I have some bananas that are going old, so I'm gonna try to also make some banana bread while we're at it. And yeah, I think that's about it. Find a break when I try to walk the dog. It's very sunny, but it's also like storming on and off, so we'll see. So, welcome to a chill day in my kitchen, and we'll see if we get it all done. The book I will be listening to today while we can and bake is Remarkably Bright Creatures by Shelby Van Platt. I'm about 14 chapters in, and so far it's really good. Okay, so we are gonna start with the simplest thing. We're gonna can the orange juice. I'm just taking it right from orange juice. But before anything, I made a rough estimate of how many cans I thought I would need, and I washed them all in hot soapy water because this orange juice is cold. I stored it in the fridge right here. This is the brand I prefer because it's cold. It's gonna be cold juice in cold canner, so that way it doesn't break the glass. So that's why we're starting with it, because we need a cold canner for them, and then we're gonna get started. Did a pretty good job at pouring, but just in case, I'm taking just a dry towel and cleaning off the rim, going in with our lids. We're doing fingertip tight. All right, so we have our cans in. Want to make sure they're covered. Pretty good amount. Like I said, cold juice, cold canner. We're gonna bring this up to a boil here, and then once it's boiling, we're gonna boil these for 15 minutes. All right, time to make the lime juice. We have halved all of our limes. We have our little citrus thing here. Let's see how much we can get. They're pretty hard. I don't have the highest hopes for how much juice we're gonna get. So from a pretty hard bag of limes, got our carcasses there, we got this much juice. Could be better, could be worse. All right, it's gonna be more peeling, so I'm sitting down and setting up my station. Got these little halo cuties, put peels and then the fruit in there. And after 20 minutes, here we go. Lots of little tangerines. All right, it's been, well, 17 minutes, but taking the orange juice cans out now. Everyone looks good. Ooh. All right, next we're making a light syrup. We have 1 cup of sugar to 4 parts water. And we're going to make a light syrup for our mandarin. Alright, so next up in the canner we have 5 jars tangerines, 2 minis of lime juice, and an extra OJ. Boop, gonna go in the canner now. I've canned with these jars once before with jam and they worked well. They're not my normal jars, so fingers crossed. Okay, so that's pretty much all the canning. I am gonna do the banana bread, but in a little bit because it's a really nice day and I want to get outside and take my dog for a walk. So I'm going to clean the kitchen, and that should be done by around the time those are done. We're going to take the dog on a walk and then continue in a bit. These are so pretty. All right, back from our walk. It's like a glorious day outside, so it took a little longer than I thought, but that's a good thing. Also why I'm a little sweaty, because it's like 80 degrees outside. So I'm gonna make 2 more things to round out the day. I'm gonna make some banana bread with the old bananas, and I'm also gonna make a quick Greek pastry called a tiropita. It's basically just a feta cheese pie. Because I have extra phyllo dough in the fridge. It's been sitting there for like 2 weeks. And I kind of want them for dinner. So let's go. While you're peeling, make sure to save some for snacks. Now for the best part, with your biggest fork, you smash it. Perfection. One of the reasons why I love this recipe so much is it's just 1 bowl. Put all the wet ingredients and the sugar in 1 bowl, and then you just put the dry ingredients on top of it, and then mix it up. It's beautiful. And then you mix the dry ingredients on top. I always add cinnamon, chia seed, and flax seed, and I cut half white flour, half whole wheat flour, and then sub the sour cream for Greek yogurt, just to, I don't know, make it a little better. And then we got the good chocolate. Just kidding, I normally don't do this because I think chopping chocolate is annoying, but I'm out of chocolate chips, so here we go, we get extra fancy. All right, final stretch, we're making Tiropitas. So all you need for this is some phyllo dough. Like I said, I've had some in my fridge for like 2 weeks now. So I'm using this brand of phyllo dough. It's just what Publix had. And then in a bowl, you're gonna mix, found it, okay. So a block of feta cheese and an egg, and then we're gonna assemble, which I'll show you how to do. So I crumbled up my block of feta, and my egg, and I'm just gonna mix to combine. Maybe add a little pepper if you're feeling spicy. Okay, we have our station here. So we have some melted butter with a brush. We have our filling and we have our phyllo sheets here. Now you're gonna need 2 sheets per Tiropita. We're probably only gonna have enough filling for like 5, maybe 6, because I like my Tiropitas kind of big. When you are not using this, make sure to roll it back up so it doesn't dry out super fast. So let me show you what to do. Okay, so we have our phyllo sheet here. On this corner here, we are going to put like a tablespoon or so of our filling. The shape we're going for is a triangle. So we're gonna use the corner to help us achieve that. So about 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling there. This is not like the correct or authentic way to do this. This is just my quick and easy way to do it when I want Tiropitas. So any actual Greek people, I'm sorry. On this quarter or third of the sheet, I'm gonna dab butter. So it's got like that. And we're gonna fold our thirds here. So we just have this guy here. Looks like that. And then we're gonna take the corner and we're just gonna fold the corner, fold up and across for a little pocket. Now, we're gonna do the same thing but with another sheet. So, another sheet of phyllo, buttering the third. Adding this, we're folding here. I'm gonna do a quick brush here on our last sheet. And then again, we're just folding corner, corner, over, and over. And we have a Tiropita. Okay, home stretch. So our Tiropitas are done. I got 6 really good size ones, which is awesome. And then the muffins just came out. I made a double batch, so I did muffins and a loaf, if you can see it. That's gonna take a minute. That's pretty much it. Tiropitas are done. They go in the oven, like 400, for like 10 to 15 minutes till they're like gold brown, toasty, roasty. But yeah, we did a lot. We got the sourdough loaf, the Tiropitas, the cans of citrus, and all the banana bread. So now I'm just gonna do some dishes, clean up my kitchen, make some Tiropitas, some chicken noodle soup, maybe take a shower later, and enjoy. So thank you for coming along in my kitchen today for just nice, chill, get stuff done. And I hope you guys have a great day. All right. See y'all later.